If you're going to be carrying out survey work on site, then you'll need to download our mobile app from the relevant app store. Now, how you do this will depend on your specific device type. If you're using an Apple device, then you'll need to go to the App Store. If you're using an Android device, then you'll need to go to the Google Play Store. So I'm using an Android device here, and I've already navigated to the Google Play Store. Now I have the option to search for the app that I'm interested in, so let's go ahead and do that. Now I'll just start typing here. You can see it has found this app, which is the correct one, and we know that because of the logo. So if the logo looks like this, it's the correct app. Okay, so let's install this by tapping this big blue button here, and this may take a few moments. Once it's complete, it'll prompt us to open the app for the first time, and you can see that's finished now. Now let's go ahead and open it, and you'll be taken to this login page. So the app has successfully installed at this point. It's now just a case of putting in the same login credentials that you've used for the dashboard. So when you first registered with the company, you will have registered on the dashboard, which is the browser-based dashboard. Use the same login credentials to log into the mobile app. But in terms of the installation, that's been successful now. That's just the last step, is to log in. So let's recap. If you're going to be doing on-site work, you must download the mobile app. There are two parts to the software. So there's a dashboard for office-based users, and there's the mobile app if you are doing work on site. The two things work together, but you can't use the dashboard on site. You must use the mobile app because that is designed for that type of work. So you want to head to either the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on what type of device you're using. Then just search for Flow Mobile Surveying and hit the install button. Once that's downloaded, you can open it up and use the same credentials as you used to register on the dashboard to log in on the mobile app.